Hello, I'm Brian. Welcome to the shop. I want to talk to you a little bit today about our multi-point inspection and what we do every time your vehicle comes into the shop for one of our routine services. So under the hood, we are going to be looking at our fluids, making sure that we're topping off windshield washer fluid, checking radiator fluid, which comes in a variety of different formulas. You don't want to mix them. Checking oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, everything under the hood to make sure it's ready to go for winterizing or during the hot parts of summer. Battery inspections and just general condition under the hood. We'll note that on our multi-point inspection sheet. Then the next step is we'll get the vehicle up in the air. Once we got it up in the air, we're going to be looking at your brakes, your tires, and underbody. We'll be using gauges to help us measure and try to give you an idea, green, yellow, red, when those components like tires and brakes are at the wear limit and it would be recommended to be replaced so that you can plan ahead for any of those expenses and avoid surprises. So again, multi-point inspection, it's a no-charge service every time you stop in at Russ Darrow. Thank you very much and drive safe.